We're going to think about making a frame for a picture today. So you should have your picture done, your background done, and then you can choose a color that you think will coordinate well with your picture. Our goal with the frame is that this opening is just a little bit smaller than your picture, so that when we tape this inside, there's a little bit of an overlap so that we don't see the edge of your image. I have a couple frames that say template on them, and so you're going to line it up with whatever color you choose, and then you could just make a line, or you could use a ruler if you want to make sure it's nice and straight. So I'm lining that up, making sure, or I could always trace the template first and then go back over it with a ruler if the line is really crooked. Okay, so I have my light line on there. The next step is to cut it out, and so here's how I'm going to do that. I don't want to fold this to make a crease all the way, but I can give it a little pinch, make a cut, and then I can cut, oh dear, inside of the frame. My frame is cut out, and so now I'll find the side that has the pencil lines, and then I'm going to put this with the paint side to the back and make sure it overlaps. And then you'll need 4 pieces of tape. When you are putting the tape on, make sure that you would not be able to see the tape on the front of your piece. Let's see. Very nice. Once that's taped, then I will take my paper. You might want to just check and see, because it might look different one way or the other. Like here I see a little purple spot. Decide, is that the way that I want it to line up? And then it's the same thing. You're gonna put tape on the back. You don't need to cover this all the way, just enough to keep it held. If your paper is curling, like here, maybe I'd put another piece just to like get that nice and smooth. But we don't need to go super crazy with the tape. Very nice. It's all set, ready to go.